Oh yeah. Yeah, I see what's going on. Got that 7. Let me crack this thing. Alright, this would all come in the box. Got a charger. Got the battery. We got a little adapter piece. Yeah, sorry about that, guys. They got a little. Yeah, so that's the 7. Let's go get to charge this up. Get out the door with it. You know, that's all that comes with. It comes with 2 pieces. I ain't even see that one. Yeah, but that's all that come in the box. You know, Hero 7. Supposed to be top notch. Alright, guys, let me get out there. Alright, y'all, Arrma Typhon 6S pass. Yeah, I see that zeroed out. Cat pack. Let's get it. Huh? Don't forget that signal you lose down there. How's it going? He just did a pass and hit 94. Are you? Yeah, I went into the ESC real quick for him. See that? No limit now, right? Don't do it again. The motor hot probably. you know you gonna go again. You hit it? You hit it? You hit it? You hit it? Oh, yeah! 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 106, baby. Still had more and I made him let off. Huh? 106.
No, lo compré completo y no fue mucho.